Marami kasing nagtatanong sa akin na bakit pumupunta ka pa sa palengke, bakit ka pa nagtatake ng photos. Hi, this is Armella, your digital first advocate, and welcome to Captured Story, kung saan lahat ng litrato ay may kwento. Welcome back to Captured Stories. So the first image that I will be showing you is this one. Isa ito sa mga captures ko from a street photography workshop na I recently attended in Tarlac. So why this one? Because siguro dahil street photography siya and nag-evolve na kasi yung parang niche ko from photography. So sobrang dami na ng experience, but I keep going back to street photography. Hindi lumilipas yung isang buwan na hindi ako lalabas sa street to take photos kasi parang it keeps me grounded. Marami kasi nagtatanong sa akin na bakit pumupunta ka pa sa palengke, bakit ka pa nagtatake ng photos, ganon. Eh, magaling ka na sa ganyan, magaling ka na sa ganyan. The reason kasi is, yun nga, it keeps me grounded. Kasi, alam mo, sa photography, pag gumagaling ka sa isang bagay, tapos nakakatanggap ka na ng mga comments na yung, di ba, uso sa mga photographer, yung mga nagko-comment, yung mga master, ganyan, lodi, ganyan. So, pag hindi mo binabantayan yung sarili mo, it will get to your head and yung ego mo talaga, madali siyang maapektuhan. So, ako, para maging grounded ako lagi and to remind myself na hindi ka perfect photographer. You have to keep on learning. Every day is a learning process. Lumalabas pa rin ako to take street photography kasi sa street photography, this is not scripted. It's spontaneous. And makikita mo talaga na yung mga subjects mo, hindi mo kontrolado. And bilang isang photographer, kailangan ko yon para manatili na humble and manatili yung reminder na there's always room to grow and there's always room to learn for more. The next photo for our captured stories is this one. This is a festival photo from Pinta Flores. Why this one? Hindi naman to winning photo, pero isa lang to dun sa mga photo from Pinta Flores. Sa dinami-dami ng festivals na napuntahan ko na, madalas kasi yung pinaka-grandest is Sinulog and Dinagyang. So, madalas, tinatanong ako, what is your favorite festival? Ganyan. And they would assume na it's either Sinulog, Mascara, or Dinagyang kasi sila nga yung parang pinakabongga ng mga napupuntahan. Pero the truth is, favorite festival ko is yung Pinta Flores. Why? This is the moment na in love ako sa festival. So, this is the moment na, this is the festival na pinuntahan ko na talagang sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga festival dancers, yung pati yung festival music. Memorize ko pa nga yung, yung kanta nito itong Pinta Flores. And sobrang ito yung talagang time of your life as a photographer ba na nagsushoot ka, pawis na pawis ka, under the tirik na araw, pero masayang masaya ka. And this is the start na sinabi ko na talagang I will cover as many festivals as I can. And I will share them sa mga nakakakita ng photos ko. And yon, so kaya significant, special sa akin yung Pinta Flores for that reason. Again, this is your digital first advocate, Armella. Don't forget to follow our social media channels at Emerge and around the Metro PH. Thank you for joining us again. This is Captured Stories with Armella.